ShineHub has 3 payment options to suit everyone, because everyone deserves to have access to the benefits of solar, battery and virtual power plant technology. We bring together the best payment options in the market so you can get your dream solar solution at an affordable price. Here are the payment options we offer to start you on your solar journey. Pay outright. The first option is to buy the system outright and own your solar system from day one. This is great if you want to invest in long-term energy savings, future-proof your home and rest easy with a 25-year panel warranty and a 10-year battery warranty. Plus, it will also add value to your home. PowerWow payment plans. PowerWow payment plans are a great way to get the benefits of solar and batteries straight away and ensure you have low energy costs going forward. No upfront cost. No upfront costs make it easy to get started. Fixed monthly payment. Fixed monthly payments over the 10-year term mean you'll have affordable power long into the future. Maintenance and upkeep included, plus 100% system performance guarantee. This plan covers installation, maintenance, upkeep and insurance for the solar power system, along with 100% full system performance guarantee for free. If the system isn't working as it should, you'll get credited each day until it's fixed. Buy out the system at any time. At any point over the 10-year term, you can choose to buy out the system at a discounted price depending on how long you have had it. No hidden fees. Everything is straightforward, so it's easy to see how you'll save. Discounts with the ShineHub VPP. You can also get a discount on your monthly PowerWow payments when you join our virtual power plan. PowerWow plans. PowerWow PPA is for combo solar panel and battery systems. PowerWow hire purchase is for battery retrofits. This is adding a battery for an existing solar panel system. Both plans are $0 upfront with all upkeep and maintenance included and 100% full system performance guarantee.